information I want to bring to you people. Lovers of Biafrans, people should watch this video I'm going to show you guys. Please, this is what is currently happening in Okigwe Sanitarium. And there's a genocide going on currently in Okigwe.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, follow me carefully and watch this particular video. After watching this video, please do well to share so that other people can be able to watch this video. Nigeria government have sent their zoo soldier again into Okigwe to start killing our people. So this video that I'm about to show you now is where Nigeria soldiers murdered a lot of Biafran youth in Okigwe. They murdered them, and they say that these people are Biafra Liberation Army and the ESN. Whereas these people are not ESN rather than Biafra Liberation Army. These people are the innocent of Okigwe people, and the Nigerian soldier now have come to massacre all of them. So just watch this video. After watching this video, do well to share so that other people can be able to watch this video. Because tomorrow now, the Okigwe people or the Nigeria government will target to ESN or Biafra Liberation Army that they are the one doing it. Please, after watching this video now, do well to share. Please.
Lovers of Biafrans all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on your time zone and location. Today's date is 26th of June, 2026. There's information I want to bring to you people. Lovers of Biafrans, people should watch this video I'm going to show you guys. Please, this is what is currently happening in Okigwe Sanitarium. And there's a genocide going on currently in Okigwe as I'm talking to you. Watch video and share it, let it go viral. The JTF, the terrorists, the Nigerian military terrorists in uniform, look at how they are massacring and innocent citizens of Okigwe State. People should watch how mean the Nigerian militaries, the JTF from Anambra, Imo State, and Abia State, Akawa people. You people should be very, very careful. You people should be very, very careful. You people are doing what you people cannot. If you people experience what you people are doing, you people understand that the Biafrans are still watching and observing what is currently going on. So this video is what happened. These people are the people who just go to their sisters' waykeeping, and they are coming back homely without no gun, without no pin, without no knife, and these people ambush them and kill some people. Just people should put information. People should ask. This is in Omawibu, local government in Okigwe, what the Nigerian terrorists is doing there, and how they join together, the JTF, the police, the civil defense, the army, they join together, clubbing with a bago, they join together and massacre and innocent citizens of Omawa and innocent citizens of Biafra people. Please, you people should watch this video, share it, let it go viral, so that people understand the reason why the Biafrans are crying to separate from the Nigerian terrorist government. Please, you people should understand that these people are an innocent citizens of Omawa. Tomorrow, they will come and tag it is ESN and it is Biafra Liberation Army. They will start telling people all sorts of lies. Please, I'm giving you this information back to back and a legit information, how this thing really happened. If you really want to know how, comment on comment section so that we can tell you everything. Watch and share, let it go viral.
lekwen ya nwanne anyị nwoke Ejike Hillary. Yesterday was Friday. Ebe ga we keeping na Ofibu. We 26th of June. Nwunye Juventus nwụrụ ahụ ka agakwara ịkpari uglas nwanne anyị nwoke nwunye nwụrụ. Anyị wegazi ebe ahụ ziwe luzuo ụmụnne anyị mmadụ atọ. On our way coming back, ka ndị nne atọ ndị akawa bịa block bịa nọ ambush n'abalị ahụ bịa gbawazie everybody egbe gbagburu anyị ụmụ nwoke atọ n'ụmụ Igbo. Onye nke na wee ji ike Hillary onwekwe ha mere ha onwekwe ha mere ha. Anyị che na akwago for peace. Gọvanọ for Imo State eche m na ọkọlọrọ for peace elekwe n'otu ndị si another state Abia steeti ga na-esi abịa emebi Imo steeti. Ọ dịkwa mma ọ dịkwa mma ọkwa anyị ga-ekwu ọ dịkwa mma. Nwa okorobịa na nwunye ka dịkwa ime ọmụmụ, nwunye nwekwara ike ịmụta anọ echi, onye ga-take care of ya nwa. And this boy now the only son, the only child. Dịka ị na-ahụ ya na ụlọ a na enwezighị any other thing, ụlọ nwekwara ike ịda because ọ naanị ya onye nwe ụlọ na. So this boy na ọgbara ya ara ndị nne atọ nwekwa ya mere unu na-achọkwana na-achọgị unu enwekwa ya ga-ekwu ụbụrụ nwanne m nwoke a na ha si ebe a kwu ekwu
iwere ya nwunye dịga ya gbagburu ya ga ụmụ ya ga nwunye dị n'ọmụmụ nkwa ha ma emere ndị nne atọ na-achụgharị anyị ele ga-azụ ụmụazị ugbu a ndị nne atọ emere na anyị ka nwunye ka ụmụ ya ka dịkwa ime ọnwụ.
Sunday, June 28th is today, 2026. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Yesterday, the statement that the president of the US, Donald J. Trump, made the day before yesterday was going viral, especially in Nigeria, on the internet space, on Facebook, everywhere. People were posting it and reposting it, and they are posting it because they want to make something out of the post. Now, first of all, let's look into what Trump said. He was talking about what he has done in his office to protecting the Christians from around the world. And he started talking about how they kill Amuniki and some persons, saying that they have stopped the killing of Christians in Nigeria. That statement is not true. Everybody knows that it's not true. Trump have been lied to, like he was lied to by people that he entrusted the issue of the genocide going on in Nigeria to. You know, at the time, when I was seeing someone like Rendemore and so many of them who were saying that we are collaborating with the Nigerian government. We are collaborating with the Nigerian government. I know that collaborating with Nigerian government is something that is not going to yield result, because this is the same government that have been indicted of sponsoring these terrorists, of aiding these terrorists. So many of the officials, as I speak to you, are facing terrorism financing. Attorney General of the Federation is now facing terrorism financing offense. He was arrested. And so many of them like that. So working with the same government, the same structure, the same party that are facing terror financing is not going to give you the desired result. Donald J. Trump was referring to the international terrorists they killed in Nigeria, people who were fighting in Syria, all those ISIS members. Well, I didn't say those people are not the terrorists, but they are not the major issue. Because these people, these terrorists are decentralized. They are decentralized in the sense that the militias that they call bandits, the terrorists they call bandits, these are the major problem we are having in Nigeria. And these are their foot soldiers that they have sent forth in every village, to every village, every community, to the churches, inside markets, inside schools. These people have infiltrated everywhere. Now, I have a problem with this, you know. In America, lobbying is a legalized something. Lobbying is not a crime in America. So they have lobby firms. You all remember how Nigeria pays almost $9 million, which is equivalent to 5 billion naira. They paid it to a lobbying firm to help them to lobby the White House. Now, Trump is a president a commander-in-chief. He sent people out. Go and investigate, go and do this, go and do that, go and do this, go and do that. The question here is this: the Christian genocide in Nigeria or the killings in Nigeria, has it ended? No, it has not. It's just as it was in the beginning. Nothing changed. So, for Trump to make that statement, these lobbying firms have succeeded in doing something to people who are close to Trump, who will go and feed him with lies. You understand? But guess what? Thank God that, some people have already, draw the attention of Donald Trump to what he said, that, listen, yes, you killed some international terrorists in Nigeria, but the killing we are talking about has not ended, like it's still on. You understand? So people who were paid to lobby and lobby and lobby, that is what they are doing, and collaborating with Nigerian government is not going to yield result. Some time ago, I spoke with so many groups who are doing rallies, doing all those things in America. So anytime I talk about some government officials sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria, they said, no, America is collaborating with Nigeria. How can you say that Nigeria is not is still sponsoring insecurity and love? Collaboration they are talking about, it is just because of the lobbying they are lobbying. And if America actually want to do something in Nigeria, I believe that collaborating with the Nigerian government is not going to yield result, because they tried it before, it didn't work out for them. When some girls were kidnapped in Nigeria, school girls, America wanted to carry out the rescue of these people, and their plan was leaked to those terrorists when they were putting oxygen masks, because they knew that they want to tear gas them, a special gas that will just put all of them to sleep. Then the American forces will just come and take the school children and arrest the terrorists. But the Nigeria counterpart to the US, they leak the information to the terrorists, and America could not do anything again. So history has demonstrated that these people are saboteurs. They used to leak information to the terrorists. So collaborating with the Nigeria government is not going to work. Now, you see, there are so many people on social media right now. They want to justify their claim that U.S. intervention is not necessary. They were debate that time. A lot of people said U.S. intervention is not necessary. Those people now, you can see the kind of joy in their heart. Then you ask that question, why are they really happy? Are they really happy that people are dying? Or are they really happy that U.S. is not intervening the way they think? What is making these people to be happy? That is what I want to answer you. What is making them to be happy is that some of them want to bring their business and connect their business to Nigerian government. For them, their interest is, if America is intervening, then my business will not work. As far as I am this, as far as I am that, I can go into the government, praise the government, join them, let them give me contract to do what I want to do. Deep down in their mind, they know that they don't have solution to what is going on. They know the problem Nigeria is facing. They know. But deep down in their heart, they don't want to admit that because of business. I saw so many people who don't still understand what is going on. But you know what? The reality is something that you cannot run away from. May God keep all of us alive. You see, for those of you who think that prioritizing your money, your career, and using security to do business, that is the normal thing you have to do. This is not a wish for anyone. This is not a prayer for anyone. But you see, these terrorists, they are already everywhere. If the people who are killing them, I mean the people from the community, we are doing it by ourselves. If the vigilantes, people who are killing them already, if they fail to do that, Nigeria will be taken over just in 6 months. Nigeria will be taken over in just 6 months. Now, you people who think that you love Nigeria or you love the people in Nigeria, there are so many people who I see, if I see them, I see pseudo love. I see fake love. They profess it because of their interest. They don't love Nigeria. They don't love Nigeria people. They don't even know Nigeria. How can you tell me that the people who said they want to overthrow Nigerian government, bring Islamic State, and bring Sharia to Nigeria, that is their mission statement? How can you tell me in a reasonable sense that you will bring the same person and put the person into the Nigerian military? You say you have radicalized them. de-radicalize them, that they are no longer radical. What made them radical was the teaching in the same book you said you used to de-radicalize them. Make it make sense to me. No, make it make sense to me. The same book you said that these terrorists are using to fight, to kill. That is the same book you are saying you are using it to calm them down. Then you put them in the army, they will continue to kill our army, leaking sensitive secrets. The Nigerian soldiers who are fighting in the northeast, they have told us time without number that these repentant Boko Haram people, whether they join JTF or those things, that they leak secrets to Boko Haram in the bush, thereby ambushing them. Then they ambush on them. And it's still in the morning, recruiting terrorists into the society, doing all sorts of things against the people. But how long will it going to stand? Just for how long? I'm asking. For how long are we going to play these games? And one of the funniest people I see in Nigeria is that when you talk about the only solution to all these things going on, which is anybody that believes Sharia above Nigerian constitution should be given a Sharia state. I've said this countless times, but when you say it, there are so many people, I don't know their mentality. I don't know. They have never sit to think for me. I believe that because anyone who can sit and think for himself, have independent man, we understand that there is no good Muslim who will choose Nigerian constitution above Sharia law. This is what my friends who are Muslims told me. They said, Okocha, there is no good Muslim who can choose Nigerian constitution above Sharia law. You don't know the meaning of this statement. It means that Nigerian constitution can never be effective in Nigeria in so many parts. And that is where you see the effect of Sharia. These terrorists parading on Sharia, killing people, doing all sorts of things. You have Sharia police, Sharia court, Sharia this. They did all sorts of things in the name of Sharia. And you can't stop it. You can't amend this law. You can't stop this law. If you do something that's against Sharia, they will kill you. Nigerian constitution cannot judge them. They did it with Deborah now. Their Shaibu is still in captivity. Or your people they kidnapped. They said they didn't kidnap them because of Sharia. It's a lie. Once you mention Sharia, nobody will take that rescue serious. If it's not because of Sharia, that or your people they kidnap, they could have released them. It is because of Sharia. Nobody knows where they are as I speak to you. Nobody knows where they are. Everybody's keeping quiet. After Rebadu Musa traveled there for special mission that Tinubu sent them, what was the result? Where are these people? You think that if I am the one in the bush, maybe I'm in the bush, they started causing Tinubu, they will come and pick me right there. Shegumi said the Nigerian government knows these people. They know them. They know their name. They know their parents. They have their phone number. They know them by their name. So what I'm trying to say is that, yes, the statement Donald Trump made is very, very bad because that is not true. Trump has been lied to. They lied to. Like, it's a lie. They lied to him. Trump have not come to Nigeria to investigate it. When they investigated, they told him that, yes, there was Christian genocide, just as you said. But coming out to say that the Christian genocide has ended, is like saying that Islamization has ended in America. Americans are crying because of the same problem. Denmark just stopped Islamic call for prayer. The whole Europe are going into mass deportation because of the fear of Islamization. UK Prime Minister just resigned on immigration failure and all those things. What is behind it? Kemi Badenoch, the Nigeria-born, or is it the UK-born Nigeria or Nigeria-born UK, leader of the opposition? She said it is all about Islamization of the Great Britain. Whether it is great or not, I don't know, but it is the Islamization of UK. So everybody knows what is going on in the world. So coming out to say it has ended in Nigeria is a lie. Okay, that is a lie. Yes, Donald J. Trump has a good intention by saying that this Christian genocide must stop, by saying that these killings must stop, by coming out to say things that are necessary and backing it up with some strikes and so on and so forth. But coming to say it has ended, no, it has not ended. Let's not get it twisted. It has not ended. So this is the bone of contention at this moment. So many people are now happy, saying that, oh, didn't I tell you people that this intervention is going to fail? Well, for me, that is not the end. But you may rejoice because you think that the terrorists will now have the free road to continue to kill, to do whatever they are doing, right? I clap for you. May God keep you alive. May God keep each and every one of us alive for us to see what will happen many days hence from today. Let's see what is going to happen. Our prayer is not for these attacks to continue, all those things. We are doing everything possible. Doing everything possible. Now, and if I see the way some vigilante people are doing, I'm glad though. I was on call this morning with some vigilante group. So I sent them a drone that they are going to buy. I was trying to tell them the importance of that drone because so many drones are outdated. Fighting terrorism is not just all about surveillance drone, like the drone they used to shoot content. That you will just shoot out drone, the drone will be flying in the bush, you just be watching the bush, whether there is anybody there, no. Drone supposed to tell you animals are here, human beings are here. It will show, even though it's far, it will show something like blood, meaning human beings are here. The drone is already available and I want them to get it. So the drone will show you even the distance between you to that terrorist. So a combat drone is totally different from all these funny drones. So let us not take toy drones and enter bush in the name of we want to fight terrorism. So we do everything that we could. We are doing everything possible that we can do to making sure that the people will defend themselves, because I believe in the people. I believe that we can do this by ourselves. And I also believe that any help that will come, either from international community or others, it will be an addition. It will be additional to what the people are doing, because there is no help from people that is permanent. It's just temporal. And that is why we are building a combat base of people who will rise up and do something. And I'm telling you that if this fight persists, you know, in Nigeria, to manufacture firearm is against the law. In Nigeria, to manufacture weapon is against the law. You don't do that. To manufacture bombs, all those things. There will be a place where this war will get to. You will understand that people have right to live. People may not have anything to do than to start manufacturing weapons, manufacturing bombs, and wipe away these useless terrorists disturbing Nigeria. The military cannot stop it. There is no policy of government that can stop insecurity in Nigeria. The only thing that can stop insecurity is the people. When the people decide to do so, they will do it. And that is why it pains me that we don't have a government who wants to stop this. Any government that said they want to stop this or they want to fight this insecurity, they know where to start from. When you are going after the people who are sponsoring them, after all, you can't go against yourself. If you are sponsoring it, you can't go against yourself. But any serious government, while going after people who are sponsoring the insecurity, we do one thing. We ask the people to carry arms. Yes. The people have to pick up arms and defend themselves. People have to pick up arms and do whatever they want to do. This is what the future holds for us. We must defend ourselves.